A very good morning, students. Students, in today's class, we're going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 5th. So, chapter number 5th is algebraic expressions. So, we will start our assignment number 5.1. Question number first part is product of this and this. I have to multiply these two numbers. Students, always make sure that always multiply the constant values with the constant values and the variable values with the variable. See, what does it mean? I have to multiply these two numbers. That is, I have to multiply 7 by raised to the power 5 with 10 raised to the power 20. I have to multiply these two. Okay. Now, just multiply the number by number. See, 7 multiplied by 10 will be 70. Okay. And if I multiply y raised to the power 5 with y raised to the power 20. Students, in our previous chapters we have discussed the property that if I take a raised to the power m and multiply it by a raised to the power m. See, bases are same. If the bases are same and they are in multiplication, I can just add the powers. So it will be a raised to the power m plus n. We have already discussed this in our previous chapter. So y raised to the power 5, y raised to the power 20. They both are in multiplication and the bases are same. So just add the powers. So this is our required answer. Okay, students. Now similarly in the next part, students, I have to multiply these two. I have to multiply these two, students. So students, see what it will be. X plus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1. I have to multiply these two. See, if I am just writing like this and if I don't multiply, if I don't use the multiplication sign, this already means that they are in multiplication. Okay, if I am not using any sign in between them, then this means that they are in multiplication. So how can we multiply? See, I have to multiply this x with both these terms and this 3 with both these terms. Okay, now if I just multiply this by this, I have to multiply variable by variable and number by number. See, no number is here, so 2 will be as it is. 2x into x into x will be x square. X into x will be x square because they are in multiplication. So the powers will be added. See, the power is 1 because nothing is written in the power, so the power will be 1. So 1 plus 1 will be x raised to the power 2. Now, if I multiply this by this, it will be 1 into any number is that number. If I multiply 3 into 1, 3 into 1 is 3. So x into 1 is x plus, because see, plus sign is there. 3 is number, then 2 is the number. So 3 into 2 is 6x as it is. Okay. Now plus into minus will be minus because if I just multiply plus and minus, answer will be negative. Okay. Now 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. So the answer is 2x square plus k 6x minus kx plus 6x 3. Both are same because here we have x and here also we have x. Both are x. So 6x minus x is 5x and minus 3. So 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is our required answer. Okay. Now moving forward to the third part, students. If x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2, I have to find out the value of this. So we will just do one thing. I will put the value of x and y here. So see, solution will be see, x is equals to 3. Okay, so 3 minus y is 2. X is 3. So 3 square is 9. Okay, x and y multiply. Just multiply x and y. So if I just multiply them, 3 into 2 is 6. Y square. 2 raised to the power 2 means 4. Okay, so this means 3 minus 2 is 1. This will be 10 and 19. So 1 into 19 is 19. So 19 is our required answer. Okay, students. Now, students, moving forward to the question number 2. So question number 2, first part is I have to multiply these 3 parts, these 3 digits, or I can say the numbers. Okay. So how can I multiply them, students? If I have to multiply them, just write it like this. First number, second number, and the third number. Okay. How we can multiply them? Multiply the number by number. See, these are constant numbers, so multiply them. See, This is positive, this is positive, this is positive. Sorry, negative. Positive into positive is positive, positive into negative is negative. So the answer will be negative. Okay. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s is 24. So, okay. 2 4s is 8. Just multiply the number by number. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So it will be minus 24. Now see, this is A, this is X and this is Y. All the bases are different. So I can't multiply them, students. So I will just write it like this. So write them as it is. So this is our required answer. Okay, students. Similarly, if I just move forward to the second part, if I have to multiply them, so it will be C minus 2x squared into x raised to the power 5 z squared, and next will be minus 7 by 2 zx. Okay. So if I have to multiply them, students, see, minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus is positive. So the answer will be positive now. Okay. Multiply the numbers. 2, no number is there. Okay. So leave that. Minus 7 by 2. So multiply 2 by 7 by 2. If I just multiply 2 and 7 by 2, I can cancel them out. So this will be 7. Okay. Now, see, x bases are same and they are in multiplication. So just add the powers. Power is 2, power is 5, and nothing is there. So I can write 1. So 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So it will be x raised to the power 8. Now, z raised to the power 2 and z raised to the power nothing means z raised to the power 1. So bases are same. So just add the powers. So it will be this. So this is our required answer. Okay, students. Now moving forward to the question number 3, first part. See. Students, question number 3 consists of 5 parts, out of which I am discussing the 3 parts. So part number 2 I am discussing. I have to multiply these two. Okay. Students, if I just multiply these two, I can write it like this. Multiply with 7a square b. Okay. And students, I have already discussed with you that if I have to multiply two numbers like this, two algebraic expressions like this, I have to multiply the number by the number and the variables by variable. So minus and plus will be minus, because if I multiply a negative number by a positive number, the answer will be negative. Okay. 2 by 3 multiplied by 7, so it will be 14 by 3. Now numbers are multiplied. Now variable multiplied by variable. See, a is here and a square is here. So bases are same and they are in multiplication. So just add the powers. A raised to the power 1, a raised to the power 2. So they are in multiplication. So just add the powers. So it will be a raised to the power 3, b raised to the power 3, b raised to the power 1. Add the powers. B raised to the power 4. And C is alone. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now similarly, students, I am discussing the part number 4. See, I have to multiply these two. So just multiply a number by the number. See, this is negative, this is positive, so the answer will be positive. Oh, sorry, negative. Now if I just multiply them, see, 6 by 7 when multiplied by 4 by 3. 6 by 7 when multiplied by 4 by 3. I can write it like this. So 4 to the 8 upon 7. Okay. Now a square, they are in multiplication, so just add the powers. So a raised to the power 3. Similarly, add the powers of b, so it will be b raised to the power 4. So this is our required answer. Okay. Now similarly, students, I have to multiply these 3. So students, if I just multiply these 3, it will be like this. This multiplied by this and multiplied by this. Okay, this is our required question number 3. Yes. So I have to multiply these 3 numbers. So students, what I will do, see, multiply the number by number. See, 8 by 15 multiplied by, see, positive negative will be negative and negative into positive will be negative. So the answer will be negative. Multiply 8 by 15 by 1 by 4 and multiply it by 3 by 2. Okay. So students, 4 to the 8, 3 ones are 3, 3 5 are 15. So it will be 1 by 5. So this is minus 1 by 5. Okay. Now just take the variables. See, A is alone. So I can just write it like A as it is. B into B is B square. So it will be B square. C raised to the power 2, C raised to the power 1. Multiplication is there. So just add the powers. So it will be C. So this is our required answer. Okay, students. Now, students, in our next question, that is question number 4, I have to find the product. I have to just multiply them, students. So see what I can do. If I just see, these are in bracket. So and these two numbers are in addition. So I will multiply this by this number and multiply this by this number. Okay. So minus x by 15 5 multiplied by minus 2 by 5 x square y square. Just multiply these two. Now addition is just addition sign and multiply 2y by minus 2 by 5 x square y square. Okay. So see what it will be. Minus into minus is plus. Okay. 2 by 5. See, 2 by 5 and nothing is there, so I can write it like 1 by 5. So 2 by 5 into 1 by 5 is 2 by 25. Okay. X raised to the power is, see, nothing is there, so I can write it like x raised to the power 1, x raised to the power 1, x raised to the power 2. So it will be x raised to the power 3, y square as it is. Okay. Now, minus into plus is plus, minus into plus is negative and negative into positive is negative. So the overall answer will be negative now. 2 2s are 4 upon 5 as it is. Now x square as it is because this is along y and y square. Both are in multiplication, so just add the powers. So it will be y raised to the power 3. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Now similarly, students, in this part, I have to multiply these two. So minus 3 by 2 is the alone number. So I can write it like this. Minus 3 by 2. Okay. And multiply this by x and multiply this by y. Okay. So what it will be? Multiply it. So x into x cube y cube. So x into x cube will be x raised to the power 4 and y cube as it is. Minus. If I multiply this by y, so x cube as it is, y raised to the power 1 and y raised to the power 3. Bases are same, so just add the powers. So y raised to the power 4. So this is our required answer. Okay, students. Now, students, in the third part, I have to multiply these two. So that means what I have to do? Multiply this by this and multiply this by this. So 1 by 2ab multiply this by 3a. In middle we have negative sign, so put negative sign and multiply this by this also. So 1 by 2ab multiply this by 4 by 5b square. Okay, so see what will be the final answer, students? 3 by 2, because 3 into 1 by 2, I have to multiply 3 by 1 by 2, so it will be 3 by 2. Now, a into a is a square and this b as it is. Okay. Now, similarly, students, see, if I just multiply these two, 1 by 2 and 4 by 5, if I just multiply 1 by 2 and 4 by 5, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so it will be 2 by 5 now. Okay, now a and this is a. These are in multiplication and the bases are same, so just add the power. So it will be a square and b square into b. Similarly, they are in multiplication, so just add the power, so it will be b cube. So this is our required answer. Okay, students. Now moving forward to the question number 5, students. Question number 5 consists of 5 parts, and out of these 5 parts, I am discussing the 3 parts. The first part, I have to simplify them. Simplify means I have to just give a simplest answer. Okay. See, minus 3 by bracket. This means minus 3 by is a multiplication with whole of these. Okay. So multiply this by this number and multiply this by this number. So if I just multiply this by this, so 4 into minus 3, 4 3s are 12 and negative is here, so it will be minus 12. Now y into y, they are in multiplication, so just add the power. So this will be y square. Now minus into plus is minus, 3 into 3 is 9, and y into x is xy, or you can say yx. Okay. Now plus sign is here, so just put a positive sign. 2 as it is, because 2 into 1 is 2. X into x square is x cube. 2 x into y square. Both the bases are different, so just write it as it is. Okay. So this is our required answer. Okay. Now the third part, student. 2b is outside a minus b, and a minus b is in bracket. That means 2b is in multiplication with this complete. So just multiply this by a and multiply this by b. So if I multiply 2b by a, see, no bases are same. See, a and b both have different bases. So I can write it like this, ba as it is. Now if I multiply this by this, see, 2 as it is, b into b is b square. Okay, plus 7a into a, so it will be 7a into a is a square, and 7a into b is 7ab. Okay, students. So see, I can simplify this, students. 7ab and 7a, 2ab. See, ba and ab both are same, because if I take 1 into 2 or 2 into 1, both will be 2. So both of these are same. So 7ab and 2ab will be, if I just add them, it will be 9ab, and the remaining portion as it is. So this is our required answer. Okay, students. Now the last fifth part, students. See, if I just multiply them, this will be x square into x will be x cube. Now x square into x is minus 2x square minus 2x square plus 2x square into x. If I multiply 2x square and x, it will be 2x cube plus 2 into 3 is 6 and x square as it is. So this will be 6x square. So the final answer will be, students, see, x cube, both have same terms. So 2x cube plus x cube, it will be 3x cube. Plus के 6x square minus के 2x square, so it will be plus 4x square. Okay, so this is our requirement. Okay, students, now moving forward to question number 6. Let us simplify these two parts, students. So the first part is, see, I have to simplify this. See, 5 is outside of this, so I have to multiply 5 by both these numbers. So 5 into x is 5x. 5 into 2 is 10. 4 into x is 4x, because number will multiply by number. See, x is the variable and 5 is the number. See, both are different, so I will just write them as it is. Okay, 4 and 3 both are numbers. 4 3s are 12, but this is positive and this is negative. So positive into negative is negative. So 4 3s are 12. Similarly, 3 into x is 3x. Positive into negative is negative. 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now just add the variables into variables. See, 5x, 4x and 3x. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 and 3 is 12x. So this will be 12x. Minus 12, both are with negative sign. So just add them and put negative sign. And similarly for this, so minus 12, minus 10. So 12 into 12, 24. 24 and 10 is 34. So this will be our required answer. Okay, students. Now moving forward to the second part. If I just see the second part, students, 3x bracket 3 by minus 6. So multiply this by this. So 3 into 3 is 9. X into y is xy minus 3x into x is 3x square plus 2y. 2 into 2 is 4. X into y is xy plus 2 into x is x square. Because the bases are same, so just add the powers. X and Y bases are different, so just write xy. X into x bases are same, so just add the formulas. Now just take the similar terms. See what similar terms means? Xy, xy, xy. So these are similar terms. So 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 and nothing is there, so I can write 1. So 13 and 1 is 14, so it will be 14xy. This will be 14xy. Now minus 3x square plus 2x square. Minus 3 plus 2 will be minus x square. Minus x square minus x square, so it will be minus 2x square. So this is our requirement. Okay, students. Now, students, moving forward to the question number 7. Question number 7 consists of 6 parts, out of which I am discussing the 3 parts. Okay. So the second part, students, I have to simplify. See, there is no sign between these two factors. If I have already discussed with you that if no sign is there between the two brackets, that means they are in multiplication. So how I can multiply them? I will multiply this number by these two numbers and multiply this by these two numbers. So 12x multiplied by 7y plus 3. In middle we have plus, so plus 9 into 7y plus 3. I can write it like this. Okay. Now this is same as these two questions, so just multiply. 12 into 7 is 84. X into y, both the bases are different, so write xy as it is. Now multiply this by this. 12 into 3 is 36. X, nothing is there, so write x as it is. 9 sevens are 63 and y as it is, plus 9 threes is 27. Okay. So see, all of them are different because this is xy, this is x, this is y, this is constant. So this is our simplest form. I can't further simplify. So this is our required answer. Okay. Now see, in this part, students, a minus minus is plus, so it will be a plus b, and minus minus is plus, so this will be x plus y. So if I just simplify them, students, how can I write them? See, a will be multiplied by both these numbers. So a into x is ax plus a into y is ay. B into x is bx plus b into y is by. All of them are different, so this is our required answer. Okay. Now, similarly, student, in this part, see how can I write this? See, 1 by 2 into x as it is, minus and minus will be plus. So 2 by 5 into y. Okay. 1 by 2 into x. Minus and plus will be minus, and 2 by 5 as it is. Okay. Students, I can just simply solve it by multiply this number by both these numbers and multiply this number by both these numbers. This you can write, or I am just giving you a formula that will help you in future also. What? I can write it like this. See, a plus b into a minus b. The formula is a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. Just learn this formula because this will help you in future also. Okay. See, a plus b. See, two numbers should be in addition and both two numbers should be in subtraction. See, these numbers are same. In one factor they are in addition, in other factor they are in multiplication. So I can apply this formula. So this will be a square. That means 1 by 2x complete square minus 2 by 5 y and complete whole square. Okay. So what it will be, students? It will be 1 by 2 whole square. This means 1 by 4 x square. And this will be 2 square means 4, 5 square means 25 and y square. So this is our required answer. Okay, students. So I hope all of you understand these 7 questions, students. The questions that I haven't discussed with you in the class, those you have to do yourself and practice them. If you face any problem, you can ask me in the next doubt class. Tell the students just practice these questions and the examples also. I'm going to see you in the next class. Thank you.